Hello and welcome to Tools and Decor USA. And today we're diving into the best vegetable and bean soups you can buy, and canned soup might not sound exciting, but it's a lifesaver. Fast, often nutritious, and surprisingly tasty if you know what to look for. Not all soups are created equal. The shelves are full of sodium bombs and bland broths. We've done the tasting and label reading so you don't have to. This is about real, hands-on testing and honest opinions. We'll break down everything from classic condensed to hearty, plant-based options. Grab a spoon and get ready to rethink store-bought soup. Let's start with a classic, Campbell's Condensed Vegetable Beef Soup. This iconic red and white can is all about value and nostalgia. Add water, heat, and you get a savory, beefy broth with soft carrots and potatoes. The beef is tender, but it's the comforting flavor that stands out. It's a reliable base, perfect for a quick meal or some customization. Next up, Campbell's Chunky Savory Vegetable Soup. This ready-to-eat can is loaded with big pieces of potato, carrot, celery, and green beans, all swimming in a rich, herbaceous broth that's full of flavor. The vegetables hold their shape, and the flavor is bold and satisfying. It's hearty, filling, and perfect for a no-fuss lunch or dinner at home. The evolution of classic vegetable soup. More substance, more satisfaction in every bite. Now the Healthy Choice Soup Variety Pack. This pack is for those who want variety and health. Lower sodium, less fat, and clear calorie counts. The broths are lighter, the flavors more subtle, letting the real taste of chicken and vegetables shine. It's not as punchy, but it's a smart choice for anyone watching their diet. Great for stocking up on portion-controlled, nutritious meals. Amy's Light in Sodium. Lentil vegetable soup is a favorite for the health-conscious and vegan crowd. It's thick, hearty, and packed with lentils and veggies. The low sodium lets the nutty lentil flavor come through. Creamy, filling, and high in fiber, this is a meal in a can. It's proof that convenience and nutrition can truly go hand in hand every time. For something heartier, try Campbell's Chunky Bean with ham. Multiple beans and real chunks of ham create a smoky, savory, protein-packed soup. The broth is thick and stew-like, with carrots and celery for balance. It's bold, filling, and perfect after a long day or tough workout. Classic comfort, no effort required. Bob's Red Mill 13 Bean Soup Mix is for the DIY cook. It's a bag of raw, non-GMO beans, navy, black, pinto, lentils, and more. You control the recipe, soak, simmer, and add your favorite flavors. It takes time, but you get a big pot of nutritious, customizable soup. Packed with fiber and protein, it's a pantry staple for big batch cooking. The ultimate blank canvas for soup lovers. Pacific Foods. Hearty Vegetable Soup is the organic, plant-based choice for a delicious meal. Packaged in a carton, it's fresh-tasting and free from metallic notes, preserving the soup's natural flavors. The organic veggies are tender and vibrant, with a clean, vegetable-forward flavor in every spoonful. Lightly seasoned to let the ingredients shine through. Ideal for anyone who wants convenience without sacrificing quality or taste. Pacific Foods Organic Vegetable Lentil Soup puts lentils in the spotlight, making them the star of your meal. It's thick, hearty, and packed with plant-based protein and fiber for lasting energy. The texture is creamy, with whole lentils and veggies for a satisfying bite. Earthy, savory, and satisfying, perfect for plant-based diets and cozy days. A quick, filling meal with no animal products, ready in minutes. Bear Creek Vegetable Beef Soup. Mix is all about convenience. Just add water, simmer, and you get a big pot of soup for the family. Dehydrated veggies and pasta rehydrate into a robust, beefy broth. It's not as complex as homemade, but it's hearty and budget-friendly, great for emergencies or feeding a crowd fast. For instant gratification, there's Continental Cup of Soup. Just add hot water for a quick, light vegetable broth. Tiny veggie flakes, a pleasant garden-fresh taste, and ready in a minute. Not a meal, but a great snack or light lunch at your desk. The ultimate in speed and simplicity. Rao's Tortellini and Vegetable Soup is a gourmet upgrade. Cheese-filled tortellini and big vegetable pieces in a rich chicken broth. The pasta stays chewy and the soup feels homemade. It's a complete meal, perfect for guests or treating yourself. Premium ingredients, premium taste. Annie's organic gluten-free vegetable soup is made for those with dietary needs and preferences. Certified organic and gluten-free, it's safe for celiac and sensitive eaters, so you can enjoy it with confidence. Rice or corn pasta and kid-friendly veggies in a mild savory broth make it delicious. Not bold but comforting and wholesome for everyone. A game changer for quick, allergen-friendly meals at home. Bob's Red Mill Veggie Soup Mix is a great DIY option. Split peas, barley, lentils and veggie pasta create a hearty, creamy soup base. Just add water, your favorite veggies and simmer. It's filling, fiber-rich and perfect for big batches. Simple ingredients, endless possibilities. Amy's Hearty French Country Vegetable Soup brings rustic European flair to your table. Long-cut green beans, turnip, potato and carrots in a savory, herb-infused broth. Distinct notes of thyme and marjoram truly set it apart. Rustic texture, elegant flavor, like a country kitchen in a can. Enjoy it with a slice of crusty bread for the perfect meal. Amazon Fresh Condensed Low-Fat Cream of Mushroom Soup is a modern store-brand staple, perfect for today's kitchens. It competes with national brands but with a lower-fat twist and a focus on healthier options. Creamy, smooth, and full of tender mushrooms in every spoonful. Slightly less rich, but still perfect for recipes or a quick, satisfying bowl. Value, convenience, and health-conscious benefits all in one can. Pacific Foods. Organic Condensed Soups, 4-pack is a toolkit for the organic cook, making meal prep easy and delicious. Includes cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. Classic recipe starters for your favorite dishes. High quality, organic, and always free from artificial ingredients. Perfect for casseroles, sauces, or a quick creamy soup at home. A must-have for anyone committed to organic cooking and wholesome meals. Micro-ingredients organic spinach powder is a secret weapon for boosting nutrition. Stir a teaspoon into any soup for extra vitamins and minerals. It dissolves easily, barely changes the flavor, and adds a serving of greens. Great for picky eaters or anyone wanting a nutritional boost. Think of it as a simple way to supercharge your soup. Imagine creamy mushroom soup is a premium ready-to-eat soup. Smooth, velvety, and intensely mushroomy with subtle hints of garlic and onion. Packaged in a large carton, perfect for families or leftovers. Tastes homemade, great on its own or as a sauce base. Restaurant-quality comfort in a box. Progresso Creamy Mushroom Soup is a mainstream favorite. Creamy broth with real mushroom slices, classic comfort food. Ready in minutes, it's a go-to for quick lunches or sick days. Not gourmet, but always reliable and satisfying. Sometimes you just want familiar. Campbell's Chicken Noodle Soup is the ultimate comfort classic, loved by families everywhere. Savory broth, slurpable noodles, carrots, celery, and tender chicken pieces. It's the taste of childhood and the go-to remedy for colds and chilly days. Simple, reliable, and always comforting. A pantry essential for generations. Imagine Organic Supergreens Creamy Soup is a nutritional powerhouse. Spinach, kale, broccoli, and more in a smooth, vibrant green puree. Earthy, slightly sweet, and easy to enjoy. Perfect for anyone wanting to boost their veggie intake. Health in a bowl, made easy. Campbell's Condensed Cream of Mushroom Soup is a pantry legend. More than a soup, it's a base for casseroles, sauces, and more. Thick, creamy, and packed with umami mushroom flavor. Its versatility is unmatched in American kitchens. The ultimate culinary building block for home cooks. Dr. McDougall's Split Pea Soup Cup is instant, plant-based comfort. Just add hot water for a thick, hearty split pea soup with noodles. Gluten-free, protein-packed, and authentically delicious. Perfect for lunch at work or school, no kitchen needed. Healthy convenience in a cup. Dr. McDougall's Vegan Ramen Chicken Soup Cup is a clever plant-based twist. Nutritional yeast and spices create a savory, chicken-style broth. Organic ramen noodles rehydrate to a satisfying chew. Oil-free and vegan, it's comfort food for everyone. Proof that plant-based can be nostalgic and delicious. Dr. McDougall's Black Bean and Lime Soup Cup brings Latin-inspired flavor. Hearty black beans, corn, and bell pepper with a zesty lime kick. Just add hot water for a thick, bold, tangy soup. vibrant, exciting, and never bland. For those who want instant soup with real personality, convenience meets bold flavor. Dr. McDougall's Organic Vegan Chicken Noodle Cup is for the organic purist. Plant-based chicken flavor, organic ramen noodles, and a clean, savory broth. Same comfort, but with certified organic ingredients. Quick, satisfying, and peace of mind in a cup. Made for the ingredient-conscious consumer. Dr. McDougall's Pad Thai Noodle Cup is a global twist on classic instant noodles, bringing international flavors right to your kitchen. Inside, you'll find gluten-free rice noodles and a tangy, sweet, and savory sauce packet. Just add hot water for a quick, flavorful, and satisfying Thai-inspired meal in minutes. It's not traditional Pad Thai, but it's a fun, tasty lunch option. Instant noodles, international flavor, and convenience in one cup. Dr. McDougall's Hot and Sour Vegan Ramen is for spice lovers. Chili, vinegar, mushrooms, and bamboo shoots create a bold, tangy broth. Chewy ramen noodles soak up all the flavor. Complex, invigorating, and deeply satisfying. Instant soup with a serious kick. That wraps up our journey through the world of vegetable and bean soups. From classics to plant-based innovations, there's a soup for every taste and need. Whether you want comfort, nutrition, or global flavors, the perfect soup is out there. The goal isn't to pick a winner, but to help you find your favorite. What's your go-to pantry soup? Did we miss a hidden gem? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe to Tools and Decor USA for more reviews. Thanks for joining me today. Stay curious and eat well.